Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Shimmerz paints. I am super duper excited to announce, if you have not followed me on social media, I made the Shimmerz YouTube educational team for the full year. So you will see a layout strictly for Shimmerz paints once a month. Now, let me tell you, I use Shimmerz all the time, so it's not like you're just going to see it once. You'll see it a lot. So what I decided to do is that I did not realize that the pasties for putting on the glitz was discontinued when I made this layout until I started looking for the blog post and doing the links. I'm like, uh-oh, I just did a layout with a discontinued item. So I am so sorry for that. But what I did is that I took the putting on the glitz that was in my stash, and I took the new color that's called, or not a new color, but a new color for me, that's called Coloring's Don't Citra on Me, and I made the sea urchins match the yellow and the greens that are in the Shimmerz paint design team photo. Now, if you guys have followed me quite a bit, you know that when I make a design team, I always put it into my traveler's notebook, and you guys have seen, or will be seeing, either you have seen it if you've watched these in order, you will be seeing the design team photo for layout as well for the the Kitaholic kits as well. And so now I'm like caught up. I always try to do that within the first month of me being part of that design team. I just wanted to document, I always do that, this is the traveler's notebook for it, and I document when it's been in and like the time and how long I've been with the company, and every time we do a new design team layout, like a design team photo, I always try to put this in there. Otherwise, if we use the same one and I stay on and they don't announce it and I just stay on and we go from there, what I do is that I don't add the date of the ending until I know that I'm done with that particular team. So right now what I'm doing is that I took the other colorings that I got. So I purchased, so my packet, I was ending up able to get about $40 worth of free like design team stuff for me to use. And so I got a lot of colorings because when I went through my design, or went through my Shimmerz paints, which is what I have a lot of, I don't have very many colorings, so that's what I kind of stuck towards. So the blue that I put on that paper is the Colorings Mama Sings the Blue, and then I round out with the Spritz You're the Zest, which has now become my new favorite if you have not noticed. So I got out the Field Notes collection from Vicki Boutin because it matches really well with this collection and what I am doing for my background for the mixed media. And so now I'm just placing everything down. Now, what I decide to do is I ruffle and give it a little bit of something, and then that's pretty much all I kind of do with it. I don't do much more with the background of the photo because it is going in a traveler's notebook. Now, I do gesso my traveler's notebook in clear because I don't like how the white looks. Now, I do use white if I want to soften up the colors, but when it's white, like a white background like this, I use clear because I don't really like what the white gesso looks like if you don't put a lot of color on it. And this paper is very thin, so it did need that extra boost. Now, I fussy cut a bunch of those flowers. There's a paper in this Vicki Boutin collection that has a ton of a ton of butterflies, and that's what I do there. I want to let you know my voice is coming back. As you can tell, it kind of isn't cutting in and out, and it sounds a little bit better. It sounds a little harsh, but I promise you, I've been doing everything. Like last night, before I did this voiceover, I did like 2 shots of honey, and I put Vicks Vapor Rubs on my feet and went to bed with it, and I woke up a little bit better. So I'm going to do it again tonight and hope and pray that I can finally come back with a normal voice. But the kicker is I live in Georgia. We all know I do. And the allergy season has now started. And like I've said before, and if you're new to my channel, you'll get to know this, I have had allergies since I was 1 year old. Like, I've had them for a long time, and I'm almost 40. And so this isn't because I just moved to Georgia. This is my life for all my life. There's nothing I can do about it. And I thought I could be like my mom, and my mom grew out of it. No, mine got worse. The longer I've been living, the longer it gets worse. So, but yeah, so now allergy season is kicking in. So I'm trying to do immunity and get my voice back and get my immunity built up, because I'm a teacher now. I can't get sick. It's not like I can just call into work. I mean, I can, but I don't want to just call in, because no, I would rather, nope. I'd rather use my time wisely, and not because I can't get over my allergies. So back to the layout. Now I'm just placing down little bits. I do leave this spot opening. You will see in the still shots that I do leave it. I like to document a little bit about why I like the team and all of that kind of stuff, and like why I joined this one, but I always do it towards the middle to the end of my like year or term for the for this one it would be Shimmerz paint, but for the design team. And this is kind of like my resume. I like to document that I made a team and kind of go from there. So I absolutely love the way this turns out. I do love how it is. Make sure that you check the description down below for all of their website stuff, the blog that I posted, their group, their community page, their website. All of that will be linked down below. Make sure that if you do purchase any Shimmerz paints, make sure that you put down my name in the comments, because you will get a free product. When I wasn't part of the design team, obviously, I've purchased quite a bit of their product, and I've gotten a lot of good freebies because I'm a huge Missy Whitten fan. You guys all know this. And just by placing her name in there, now you can place my name in there and get a free little pot of something. And it works wonderful. I got to try new colors that I didn't think I would like, and I would get it in the little pots. It works perfect. So I hope that you enjoy this. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I will post about 2 to 3 times a week. And after that, the still shots are coming up. I round out with the yellow splatters. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.